Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I made a full video, but I am inside and I am going to show you guys how I did my flower, how I'm making my flower wall. I'm doing a flower wall because I have the old flower wall that we used to connect each other to, that had this type of background or whatever. I did get my flower wall from Rose Morning. This was back, I guess, in 2019, 2020 or whatever. But I have since decided to actually affix it to a wall. And this is like the first one that I started doing. And I don't like the way it's coming out. So I'm actually going to do it a different way, and I will show you guys how I do it as I get it done. But right now, mosquitoes have bitten my face up. This is for our upcoming Sweet 16 birthday party that I'm doing. But you guys, I'll take you along the way as I do it a different way, because I don't like the way this is turning out. Okay, see you in the next video.